Want to enhance your YouTube TV experience with your Philips Hue Sync lights? This guide will show you how to set up and use Philips Hue Sync with YouTube TV for an immersive viewing experience. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark ensure your Philips Hue Sync box is connected to your TV and Hue bridge. White heavy checkmark makes sure your TV supports the Philips Hue Sync app and the YouTube TV app is installed. Step 2. Install Philips Hue Sync app. Keycap 1 download and install the Philips Hue Sync app on your PC, Mac, or smartphone. Keycap 2 connect the Hue Sync box to the TV and Hue lights as instructed. Step 3. Link YouTube TV with Hue Sync. Keycap 1 open YouTube TV on your device. Keycap 2 play content and open the Philips Hue Sync app. Keycap 3 select video synchronization mode in the app to sync the lights with the video. Step 4. Customize lighting preferences. Adjust how your lights react to content. White heavy checkmark choose a lighting mode, movie, gaming, etc. White heavy checkmark adjust brightness and color intensity. Step 5. Troubleshooting and amp optimization. Small blue diamond sync issues? Restart the Hue Sync box or reconnect to the Hue bridge. Small blue diamond lighting not performing? Ensure proper light placement. Small blue diamond slow performance? Check your Wi-Fi connection. Bonus tip: adjust color temperature for a more tailored experience. Enjoy YouTube TV with Philips Hue Sync. Subscribe for more tutorials and hit the bell icon.